Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning about measures of central tendency. So, what are the measures of central tendency? They provide information about typical or average values of a data set. And we'll get more into this later, but the measures of central tendency are the mean, the median, and the mode. So, first we'll start with the mean. The mean is the average of the data set. So what we would do is we take the sum of all of the values, so we add each value together and then divide that number by the number of values in the set. So let's take the data set on the right. 10, 6, 4, 4, 6, 4, 1. To take the mean or the average, we would add up all of these numbers and then divide by 7 because there are 7 numbers in the data set. So we get the average value or the mean value is 5. Next is the median. So the median is the middle value of the data set, and the data set must be in order from smallest to largest to find the median. So we'll go back to that same data set that we already looked at, the 10, 6, 4, 4, 6, 4, 1, and then we'll put that in order. So the 1 is the smallest number, and then we have 4, 6s, and 10. And the median is 4. And the way that we can find the median is we cross off on either side. So we would cross off a 1 and a 10, then a 4 and a 6, and then another 4 and another 6. So you start on the outsides and you work your way in one step at a time on each extreme. So then you end up with 4. And an important thing to note is that if there's an even number, so there's if you cross out on either side from both directions and there are two numbers left, you can add those two numbers and then divide them by 2, and that will tell you what the median is. Finally, we have the mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring value in the data set. So you can have no mode, one mode, or more than one mode. So the case of no mode is if all of the numbers appear the same amount of times. One mode is if there's one number that appears more times than any other. And then more than one mode if, say, two or three numbers appear multiple times, but the same amount of times. So we'll go back to that data set 10, 6, 4, 4, 6, 4, 1. And we know that the mode is 4 because it occurs most often. There's only one 1 and one 10. There's two 6s, but there's three 4s. So since there's three 4s, we know that's the mode. And those are the measures of central tendency. Pretty easy, but they tell us a lot about the averages and the middle of the data set. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.